Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of pan pizza without yeast. So let's begin. So in a bowl, I am adding 1 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour, followed by some salt and half a spoon baking powder. Here I am adding warm water to knead my dough. Also guys, we need a wet dough or a runny dough. Here I have added 2 spoons of curd. I'm using some water. I have added 1.5 spoon of oil. Guys, we want something like this. This should be fine. You can see. Rest your dough for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I am using the dough. I am spreading it with the help of my fingers. Spread it evenly from all the sides. And stretch the edges. With the help of fork, I am pricking the pizza base. Allow it to cook for 30 seconds on medium flame and take it off. Here I have put the pan on medium to low heat. Add some butter. And for instant pizza sauce we need 2 spoons of tomato ketchup, 2 chopped garlic cloves. I am adding 1.5 spoons of chili flakes and half spoon of pizza mix. Mix it well and our instant pizza sauce is ready. Spread it evenly. This is done. Time to add some cheese. Here I have chopped bell peppers and onions. I am spreading it randomly. Add some more cheese and partially cover the vegetables. Cover the pan until the cheese melt. As you can see guys, the cheese is half melted. Take the lid off and sprinkle some chili flakes and pizza mix. Cover it for few more minutes. And see, our pizza is ready. Guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. Take care. Bye bye.